Hi, today I'm up here at Hunter Homes checking out one of their new models up in Harris Ranch, and check out the view here. This is just a little east of Warm Springs Mesa, which you can see over there, and overlooking the Boise Valley. You can see the airport out there in the distance and the Boise River going through town with all the trees. You're kind of up on the bench overlooking here. Barber Park is right over here where you put in for your inner tubing. So this house features 12-foot ceilings and obviously all the nice finishings of a model home. Nice fixtures. Old fireplace there, that's kind of cool. So large open floor plan. The 12-foot ceilings really make it feel large in here. This is a 3-bedroom, optional 4th bedroom with an office. I like how they kind of put the bay window here to give you a little extra room, and the dual triple pane sliders that are 8 feet tall. Let a lot of natural light in here. So we got a large island, large flush undermount sink, and then stainless steel dishwasher, cooktop. You got the fan kind of buried in behind this cabinetry. Dual oven with a convection oven on top. Stainless steel fridge. I like the double door feature not double door, barn door feature they did for the pantry here. Good storage. And then you've got a mud room leading out to the garage for your laundry here. 1-story home. We'll go over to the master first, and then you've got the additional bedrooms down there. So this is almost like a second pantry. And the view here is amazing. No one's going to build behind you here because it drops off right at the edge of this hill here. Nice bay window, lets a little extra light in this room. And then they've got the barn door leading into the bathroom. His and her sinks. Separate door there. I like the freestanding tub. And then they've got this tiled all the way around for the shower with dual shower heads. Very nice. And then a large walk-in closet. Definitely a lot of space here. So we'll go over and see the other 3 bedrooms. In the model, they have it modeled as 2 bedrooms and an office. So you've got a half bath here. This is for your guests. Large door, they have these large doors on all the Hunter homes. And then you've got a full bath here. And a room here, 12-foot ceilings throughout. And then this is an office, but you could put a closet there and have another bedroom. But that kind of gives a little privacy between these 2 bedrooms here, having that there. If you don't need 4 bedrooms, you could have the office here. So anyway, let me know what you think of this model.